Hi, my name is Wendy Choa, representative of Excel Hardware and a member of the SMF. Excel is a furniture hardware company in home living products, and our top selling essential products consist of cabinet hinges, drawer slides, and kitchen baskets. After being a member of SMF, we actually really opens up Excel's perspective and mind. So the first time we actually participated is the SMART program, where we get consultant to actually come down to Excel to diagnose Excel for 8 sessions. So that is when it's also our first time being publicized on the media, and it gives us an overview on how we could change from a traditional company to a modern company. During the COVID-19 period, SMEC actually helped us by telling us the different government grants available, such as JSS and JGI, where we actually can use it to actually tide through the COVID period. So actually, SMF, there is some representative that actually reach out to us and actually send us resumes and also ask us to send the job descriptions and everything to them. So they will help us to blast through their community groups as well. When Excel wanted to go into digitalizations probably like 6 years ago, so that is when we actually seek advice from SMEC on how to apply the EDG grant. Through the EDG grant, Excel was able to set up the e-commerce store smoothly, where we can provide customers a click-and-go experience. Thank you SMF for being part of our business growth journey throughout these 13 years.